The RIKON 70-150 VSR revolutionized variable speed woodturning through sophisticated 1 horsepower DC motor driving electronic variable speed technology spanning 3 ranges: 250 to 850, 430 to 1450, and 950 to 3200 RPM, enabling granular control across diverse materials and techniques. This advanced MIDI lathe measures 12-inch swing by 16.5-inch working distance, accommodating diverse turning projects from small spindles through substantial ball blanks requiring comprehensive turning capacity. The magnetic back control box enables flexible positioning along lathe bed front, establishing operator-preferred positioning for intuitive control and emergency stopping. The ball bearing construction ensures smooth, precise spindle operation, minimizing vibration and maintaining exceptional accuracy throughout extended turning sessions. We share by links in description box. The digital RPM readout provides real-time speed feedback, enabling precise speed optimization and repeatable operation throughout multiple projects. The forward-reverse capability supports superior finishing techniques and decorative applications requiring bidirectional rotation. The machined bed and matching components establish precise alignment, enabling consistent performance throughout intensive use. The adjustable locking handles maintain component positioning securely throughout demanding turning operations. The 1-inch diameter tool rest post provides substantial support surface, accommodating diverse tool rest configurations and working positions. The optional bed extension enables outboard turning, reaching 15-inch diameter capacity, accommodating expanded project possibilities. The comprehensive included accessory package encompasses center, live center, 3-inch faceplate, 6-inch tool rest with 1-inch diameter post, knockout bar, wrenches, and tool holder. The outstanding value, combining 1 HP DC motor, digital readout, 3-speed ranges, forward-reverse operation, and professional-grade engineering, establishes this lathe as exceptional choice for serious hobbyists and professionals.